MCCB molded case circuit breaker is an integrated electrical protection and control device designed for high current and high voltage scenarios. It rapidly disconnects faulty circuits to ensure the safe and stable operation of power systems. Its core functions include overload protection and short circuit protection. When abnormal current surges or sudden short circuits occur, the MCCB instantly activates to isolate faults, preventing equipment damage or fire hazards. It also supports manual operation for circuit switching control. Taking the EDM3 Series PVDC-specific MCCB as an example, it features a rated voltage of 500 VDC and a maximum current to 500A, making it ideal for solar energy storage systems to ensure efficient operation of battery packs and photovoltaic modules. The product incorporates a high braking capacity design, combined with reliable insulating materials and an optional IP66 dustproof and waterproof enclosure, enabling long-term stable performance in harsh outdoor environments while resisting UV radiation and moisture erosion. Whether for overcurrent protection in energy systems or precise circuit management in daily operations, MCCBs serve as a critical safeguard to enhance safety and extend equipment lifespan.